if you want to set charge limit to 80-95% or automate battery charging on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your settings. Now we have to scroll down to our battery tab. Great. In our battery tab, we gotta find our charging. Open it up. So here you can set your charging limit by dragging the scale. So let's set it on 85, for example. Now it's gonna be on 85. And also, when your charging limit is on 100, you can enable optimized battery charging option. So when the charging limit is set to 100, it allows iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80 until the time you'll need it to use. Also keep in mind that this option optimizes by your battery in a span of 14 days because it learns with your battery consumption strategies, right? So the more you do it, the more it realizes your ways of doing this, the more it realizes your preferences and habits. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.